The corridors of justice, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu can now breathe a sigh of relief after the High Court quashed the DPP and DCI plan to institute removal proceedings against her. A three-judge bench says the High Court had already found the DPP and DCI illegally obtained information against DCJ Mwilu and that the two lack locus standi to appear before the Judicial Service Commission. George Maringa reports.
It was another date with the courts for a matter that has sprawled in the corridors of justice, specifically at the Constitutional and Human Rights Division, for the delivery of the judgment of petition number E245 of 2020, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu versus Judicial Service Commission and two others. A three-judge bench of the High Court consisting of Justice Said Juma Chitembwe, Lady Justice Roslyn Aburili and Justice Weldon Korir on Friday read out the judgment before issuing the final orders. The first one touching on the decision by the Judicial Service Commission of 8th July 2019 requiring the Deputy Chief Justice to respond to petitions filed by four parties.
A declaration be and is hereby issued that the decision by the Judicial Service Commission on 8th July 2019 and communicated to the petitioner on 9th July 2019, requiring her to respond to the four petitions lodged against her on 18th October 2018 by Mogire Mogaka and on 7th June 2019 by Alexander Mugane and on 11th June 2019 by Peter Kirika and on 27th June 2019 by the DPP and the DCI, and all proceedings undertaken by the JSC subsequent thereto are unconstitutional and in violation of Articles 1(3), 27(1) and 51 of the Constitution.
The Director of Public Prosecutions DPP and the Director of Criminal Investigations DCI had filed petitions for removal of Deputy CJ Philomena Mwilu from office over alleged gross misconduct.
An order of certiorari be and is hereby issued calling into this court and quashing the petition lodged on 27th June 2019 by the Director of Public Prosecution and the Director of Criminal Investigation seeking the removal of the petitioner from office for want of locus standi to petition for the removal of a judge from office.
The High Court has also prohibited the Judicial Service Commission from hearing petitions by DCI and DPP seeking her removal, terming them as unconstitutional.
A declaration be and is hereby issued that the decision made by the JSC on 8th July 2019 and communicated to the petitioner on 9th July 2019 requiring her to respond to the four petitions lodged against her as stated by the four petitioners and all proceedings undertaken by the Judicial Service Commission subsequent thereto amounts to an abuse of process and administrative power of the Judicial Service Commission in view of the pendency of appeals before the Court of Appeal in Civil Appeal number 298 of 2019.
In the latest High Court ruling, the DPP and DCI lack locus standi to appear before the JSC, meaning they lack the right to appear or be heard in such proceedings by the Judicial Service Commission. George Maringa, KTN News.
Standard Group CEO Orlando Lyomu has challenged journalists to ensure fact-checking